Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create fog effect in After Effects. Creating a fog effect in Adobe After Effects can add atmosphere and depth to your video project. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a realistic fog effect. So first, go to Layer, New, Solid. Choose a medium gray color for the solid, which will act as the base for the fog effect. Name this layer Fog, then hit OK. With the fog layer selected, go to Effect, Noise and Grain, Fractal Noise. This effect will simulate the texture of the fog. In the Effect Controls panel, adjust the following settings to create a fog-like appearance. Fractal type. Set this to dynamic, progressive. Noise type. Set this to soft, linear. Contrast. Lower the contrast to around 50 to make the fog appear softer and more diffuse. Brightness. Increase the brightness slightly to lighten the fog. Complexity. Set this to 6.0 or higher to add more detail to the fog texture. Transform. Under the transform settings, uncheck uniform scaling and adjust the scale width to stretch the fog horizontally to 1000. To make the fog appear as if it's moving or rolling, animate the evolution parameter. Click the stopwatch icon next to the evolution to set a keyframe at the beginning of the timeline. Move the playhead to the end of the timeline and increase the evolution value, for example, 2 times or more to animate the fog's movement. Press the T to bring up the opacity settings for the fog layer. Lower the opacity to around 50% or less, so the fog blends naturally with the scene. To blend the fog more naturally with your footage, set the fog layer's blending mode to screen or odd. These modes will allow the fog to interact with the underlying footage, creating a more realistic effect. Press spacebar to preview your fog effect. Adjust any keyframes, opacity, or settings as needed to achieve the desired look. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.